Hello. In this video, I will introduce the Scaffcalculator. The Scaffcalculator is a tool, a simple tool, to verify certain parts of a scaffold very fast. So while you are making a construction on screen, you can open this application and can always check with simple calculations your construction is safe for use or not. The Scaffcalculator is a collection of modules which can verify certain situations of a scaffold construction. It can verify the situation of a ladder beam with one single load, or a ladder beam with two single loads, or the base jack which is charged with a load from the vertical post. You can also calculate the vertical post itself, and you can also verify the coupler, and you can also verify heavy-duty scaffolds or frame scaffolds. How this works, I show you now. Going to the calculation sheet of the vertical post, you can see what parameters could be changed in order to get a static calculation for the vertical post. In the first place, you can, or you must put in the live load and the dead load, and eventually the extra loads. This will be added then to a total load on the vertical post. This is the only thing what you need to calculate manually. So, if you have this situation as you see here, a vertical post charged with about 30 kilonewton, then you can see that you have the properties of the pipe here, the outside diameter, the inner diameter, and the thickness of the pipe. Calculated are the static properties here. And here's another parameter, which is the lift height. The lift height is usually the deflection length of the scaffold. If this needs to be reduced, you must put ledgers in 1.5 meter height, or you must anchor the vertical post at 1.5 meter in order to get the deflection length of 1.5 meter only. So if you see now the situation above 30 kilonewton, then you see, according to the standards, DIN 4114 and DIN 18800, we have an existing load of 175, which is not safe for use. So with this information, we know now that we have to change something. Either we reduce the load. We can say, okay, let's reduce the load if it is possible for this special situation on site. If we reduce the load, we are coming closer to the permitted value. Okay. If it is not possible, then we should, or we must probably change the design, but this is the last thing what we want to do. The next thing what could be done in order to come closer to the permitted value is to change the lift height, means the anchor pattern. We go to the anchor pattern of 1.5 meters. And when we make this, we see suddenly the calculation delivers the result 118 Newton per millimeter square. This one is one solution how to change something on the construction without changing the design of the scaffold. However, if this is also not possible, we probably need to make another thing. What else could be done is to put a double vertical post. To put a double vertical post would mean that we would double the area of the cross section, and we would also double the moment of inertia of the vertical post by 2. So this one can be simulated very simple by changing the formula a little bit. So when we have a double vertical post, then we have double material, and certainly our vertical post is also safe for use. So this example shows you how important it is to have a calculation tool which does not cost much time, delivers very fast results in order to keep the construction process going without any interruptions. This is the end of video number 5.